Do you need a license to ride an electric scooter or a motorcycle? And the answer is no, you don't need a license. And at the same time, yes, you do need a license to ride an electric motorcycle or a scooter. I'll see you after this intro video to tell you more, so stay tuned. Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today we're going to talk about, do you need a license to ride an electric motorcycle or a scooter? And the answer is no, you do not need a license to ride an electric e-bike or an electric bicycle. And at the same time, yes, you do need a license to ride an electric scooter or a motorcycle. So let's break this into two parts. So I'm going to tell you first when you don't need a license to ride a particular scooter and when you need a license to ride a electric scooter. So let's talk about the second point first. When you need a license to ride an electric scooter. Any electric scooter or motorcycle which is powered more than 250 watts and goes beyond 25 kilometers per hour, you need a license to ride all such scooters. For example, could it be Ather, it could be Bajaj Chetak, it could be TVS iQube, it could be Ola S1, S1 Pro, or Simple Energy, or Revolt. All these motorcycles and scooters, if you want to ride them, you definitely need a license, an official license to ride them on the street. So these are the brands where you need licenses, or the definition is if the motorcycle or a scooter is about 250 watts, above 250 watts and can go above 25 kilometers per hour speed, then you definitely need a license. Now coming to the first point, why you don't need a license to ride an electric scooter, or when you don't need a license to ride an electric scooter. So the definition is any motorcycle or a scooter which is powered up till 250 watts and does not exceed a speed of 25 kilometers per hour is categorized under e-bicycles or e-bikes. So in this case, you do not need a license at all to ride any of these. I'm going to tell you 4 different brands who are into this space where you can buy one of their products, a scooter or a motorcycle or a e-bike, what it is called, and ride them. And to ride those motorcycles or scooters, you do not need a license. So let's start that one by one. So the first bike I want to discuss is called Joy e-bike Monster. So this is a mini battery powered monkey bike. So it employs a 250 kW hub motor along with a lithium ion battery that has been rated to deliver a full charge range of 75 kilometers. Part of the kit includes digital screen, disc brake, premium look, upside down fork, monoshock and alloy wheels. And the second e-bike that I want to discuss or talk about is Loia Omstar Lee. Loia Omstar Lee is one of the most affordable offering in the segment. It comes with the features such as halogen bulb headlamp and also bulb tail lamp, a lockable front glow box, a digital instrument cluster. It uses a 250 watt hub motor and a lithium ion battery, which is claimed to offer 60 kilometers at a full charge. Okinawa Light, most of the people would know this particular brand. It's a funky looking scooter from Okinawa. Comes with a long list of modern features such as LED headlamp, digital instrument console, USB smartphone charging port, remote start and lock, and LED tail lamp. It also gets a removable lithium-ion battery pack which delivers up to 60 kilometers range. And the last e-bike that I want to talk about is Empire Rio Lite. The Rio e-Lite gets a 250 watt BLDC hub motor. It has been offered in both lead acid and lithium ion battery options. It offers a 60 kilometers range. So these were the 4 different manufacturers who offer e-bikes or e-bicycles which are powered with 250 kilowatts of hub motor and does not exceed 25 kilometers per hour speed. So this is where you do not need a license to ride these kind of electric bicycles or e-bikes as it has been categorized. So I hope you like this video. At any point of time, if you like this video, please do consider to give it a thumbs up and share this video with people you think would not have known this. And yes, until the next video, keep it rolling. Bye bye for now.